Passive Income Ideas Part 2.
Earning passive income in India, or anywhere else, often requires upfront effort, time, and sometimes capital. Keep in mind that the success of any passive income venture depends on various factors, including market conditions, your skills, and the effort you're willing to invest initially. Here are 25 potential ways to earn passive income in India.
1. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photo websites. 2. Ad revenue from blogs. Monetize a blog with ads. 3. Create and sell mobile apps. Develop apps and earn from downloads. 4. License your photography. Sell licenses for your photos. 5. Print on demand. Design and sell custom merchandise. 6. YouTube channel. Monetize videos through ads and sponsorships. 7. Podcasting. Earn from ads, sponsorships, and listener donations. 8. Dropshipping. Set up an online store without inventory. 9. Create a membership site. Offer exclusive content for a fee. 10. Write and sell software. Develop and sell software solutions. 11. License your artwork. Sell licenses for your artistic creations. 12. Automated dropshipping. Use automation tools for dropshipping. 13. License your music. Sell licenses for your music compositions. 14. Build and sell niche websites. Create and sell websites. 15. Invest in a business. Be a silent partner or investor. 16. Create a subscription box service. Curate and sell subscription boxes. 17. License your designs. Sell licenses for your graphic designs. 18. Buy an existing online business. Invest in a profitable online business. 19. Real estate development. Participate in real estate development projects. 20. Write and sell plugins. Create and sell plugins for websites or software. 21. Automated print on demand. Use automation for print on demand. 22. Peer-to-peer car rental. Rent out your vehicle when not in use. 23. License your inventions. Sell licenses for your inventions or patents. 24. Create a vending machine business. Manage vending machines. 25. Create a subscription software service. Offer software as a service.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.